Hey, this is Kyle with Wild Hair Moto. Just wanted to do a quick video here on my last day of prep for Endurocross in Reno. Last day riding in Washington before I return to my new home in Texas. Just doing one last run down the property there and doing a couple laps around to warm up before I start hitting the logs. This is a trail where I recently fell this big stump back down. There was a big hole there where the root ball had come up. We'll just do one more here and then we'll go practice for Endurocross.
Alright, Reno Endurocross is coming up. I need to practice. I'm not used to the 4-stroke, and I think this log triple, while it's not anything like a real matrix or anything, I think it'll be really good practice for developing the launching and just comfort on smashing into things and launching off of them and landing into things, which are all part of going fast around an Endurocross track. So probably the best way to spend my last day here. Let's do it.
Get ready to watch me, just ride over these over and over, because that's what this practice day is all about. It's what I love doing. I'm looking for, more of just a highlights, best of, that kind of thing, and you're not into, jamming out for 10-15 minutes on stuff like this. Make sure to follow my Instagram. Make sure to just follow it either way, Wild Hair Moto. And there's more condensed, just highlights, but I'm a YouTube addict myself. I like the longer cuts, and this is really pretty condensed. I mean, this was a much longer practice than what you see here, but it is admittedly pretty repetitive.
This is fast enough.
In terms of getting ready to race, those might have been my two best runs. In terms of just getting through there fast with a lot of confidence, good position, and getting good clearance over the logs. But do some different things, come at it from a standstill, things like that, and really try to bounce through it and learn how to handle slamming into it, and recover from that, things like that. So those might have been the best runs, but there's still plenty more to work on.
Okay, let's go take a little water break.
Yeah, so after taking a break here, I just wanted to work on hitting at least the 3 obstacles. So hit the tire, hit the big log, and then hit the log triple. with feeling better on that log triple now. So I did that for a few runs here.
Woo! Ah. Testing out those Pro Taper ACF bars.
the exception of that beautiful chocolate cake topsoil in the log triple there, it is really slick on the property right now. Those aren't maybe the best runs, but I am so bad at wheelies that I'm pretty happy with those. So that's just about the end of the useful part of the practice there. I'm getting tired, but I'm never too tired for tires, so hit this a couple times before I say goodbye until a Reno Endurocross.
That's a wrap for today.
Rip Moto Rip. Good bike.